Hello students, now in this discussion we shall look exclusively at solar air heaters. Okay, the cross section of a conventional flat plate collector for heating air, commonly referred to as solar air heater, is shown in the figure. The construction of such collector is similar to that of a liquid flat plate collector, except for the passages through which air flows. So in the flat plate collector water is flowing, here only we want air to flow. These passages have to be made larger in order to keep the pressure drop across the collector within manageable limits. In this diagram, the air passage is simply a parallel plate. Now you can see here, very simple it is. This is a stand, supporting stand you can see, and uh, you have got a glass cover like flat plate cover. Collector has got a glass cover, transparent cover, that is there. And bottom you have got an absorber plate, actually painted black, so that it absorbs maximum amount of radiation. Okay, and below that there is insulation, so that there should not be any heat loss. Now what happens, you can see from the right side bottom, air is coming in. And please understand, as I was telling, this water solar flat plate collector or solar water heater, they are also kept at some inclination. So here this stand is made in such that the solar air heater is naturally in the inclined position itself. Okay, so what happens, the sunlight is falling on the transparent cover, goes inside, heats the absorber plates. Okay, and due to, now here there is no blower and all, due to density difference you can see cold air enters from the bottom. Okay, as it gets heated up, and it takes away the heat from the absorber plate, it rises up and it goes up from the top left side, you can see the air out. So this is where natural convective currents are formed. And the beauty is, the transparent cover, whatever glass cover you are finding there, that is like a one-way wall. It only allows the solar heat energy to enter the from the top glass cover inside the and heat the absorber plate. But whatever reflected energy is there, that is not allowed to go back. It is trapped inside only, and that is how the temperature of the absorber plate increases, and that heat energy is transferred to the air, and thus the air gets heated up. This is a simple principle. It is, you need to provide a transparent glass cover. You need to have a absorber plate, okay, preferably of copper and painted black, so that it absorbs the maximum amount of incident solar radiation. And bottom, in order to avoid heat dissipation by conduction, bottom we have provided with the insulation, so that there is no heat transfer from the bottom of the absorber plate. So this was about solar air heaters.